I'm about to show you how to wheelie. If you guys see my last video, this is a self-wheelie bike. And if you guys want to get this bike, use code Zetrik at checkout, because this is actually a good beginner wheelie bike. Like, this is the best beginner bike for its price. $1,500 is the price for this bike, which could self-wheelie. Not even that bad of a price, but today I'm going to show you guys how to wheelie. And this shows with any other bike. Like, this has the same powertrain as the Yasma, and like I showed you guys in my last video. If you haven't seen my last video, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen right now. But this could self-wheelie. This could self-wheelie, bro. It's actually a pretty cool feature, but today I'm gonna show you guys how to wheelie. I don't have self-wheelie mode right now, so when I try, it's gonna go all the way back. Now that's how you know I'm not in self-wheelie mode. So right now, what you gotta do, first thing that you're going to do, even if it's a half or full twist throttle, you grab it, and first thing you want to know is the controls. So you pop it up just like that, you hold the throttle and you put a little force to it. Brake is, if you're going too far, you press the brake, but if you're too forward and you're about to go back to the ground, you can just hit the throttle and you go give you a boost, like how I'm doing. Give you a boost, go up. Just keep repeating that while walking. Try to practice that. Try to practice actually balancing the bike. And when you're done with that, which actually I have to let you guys know that this doesn't take like an hour to do. It takes weeks, maybe for some people even months, to actually conquer the skill to do this. But when you're done with that step, I want you guys to go to the step of actually walking like this. I'm gonna show you guys. So when you keep going, force you up, I'm like gliding my feet across the floor. So just pop it up like I showed you. This, and glide your feet. Maybe don't go on mode 1. Mode 1 is pretty bad if you're actually doing this. I want you guys to go on mode 2, because mode 1 is too low power. Mode 2 is like kind of there. Mode 3 is too much power for some people, so you know. Another thing that actually helps with wheelies is like a new seat cover, because sometimes when you're going with the stock seat cover, it kind of slides you off the bike. Like you can see I'm going like this, sometimes I'm sliding off the bike, and if we're going fast that situation, it could be bad, bro. It could be really bad. Go in mode 2. I'm gonna do the gliding right here, so I'm gonna show you guys how to glide, because I wasn't really doing this that much. You just pull it up, you go in this position, you just glide. I kind of did it good there, what the heck. Or just run it back like that in time so you get the gist of it. If you want, try mode 3. I'm actually gonna try mode 3 right now, see how it is. Let's do mode 3. Yo, if you're getting like a Solarian doing this, I would not go on mode 2. Maybe go mode 1, because mode 2 is like 20 miles per hour on this bike, and mode 1, I think, on a Talaria, I don't know how far it goes. That goes really fast, I think, with mode 1. I'm actually not sure, I don't know. Back it up. This is the gliding. I just showed you guys the gliding. Little eye burnout. If you got the gliding capability good, now it's time for the wheelie. So what you have to do is pop it up. Remember, use your brake and stuff. Pop it up. Oh, I got it. Pegs. I'm on pegs. Yo, I want you guys to know that it's not just get on a bike and start wheeling. You gotta practice, chat. You gotta practice all these moves. Whoa, almost tripped there. Some of the wheelie tutorials on YouTube are pretty bad, because they don't actually show you the full steps. They just show you, you know, maybe try to wheelie while gliding, and then they show them wheeling, which is not good. They gotta show the full steps. You practicing how to balance, do the balance point, because that's really important, and all that other stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned a technique, or maybe you're just going on YouTube and seeing, oh shoot, that's a good wheelie video that I could do. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out. Let's go.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Hey. I gotta get him out one day. That'll be a special moment. Stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned.
Like taking steps back. What the fuck I look like taking steps back? Bitch, I'm in a bin, so this not no hatchback. Yeah, I run my bag.